Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and freeing up space so the installation won't fail midway. Once done, back up your data to Samsung Cloud or create a local ADB image because betas can wipe settings. Next, open Samsung Members and enroll in the One UI 7 beta program. This registers your device for the OTA. Make sure to connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and keep the charger handy. The update will download and reboot the phone automatically. After enrollment, navigate to Settings Software Update and download the One UI 7 beta package. Verifying the download prevents corrupted installs. Install with the device plugged in and expect 1 or 2 reboots while system apps migrate. Don't interrupt this. Once the system boots, follow prompts to accept new permissions and privacy changes. Then open Galaxy Store and update system apps. Make sure to revisit battery and background settings to align with the beta's new power management. Finish by personalizing the new One UI 7 look. Arrange home screens, add widgets, and set multitask gestures so your workflow improves immediately. Use Samsung Members to report issues. Include logs and screenshots to help engineers reproduce problems. If you encounter major instability, try wiping the system cache first. If problems persist, back up and perform a factory reset to clear migration errors. That reset usually resolves deep conflicts, but only after a full backup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.